While local laboratories do not have the capacity to test for new COVID-19 variants, particularly the latest one, Omicron, health authorities have sought additional financial resources in the National Assembly for the purchase of testing kits. During Thursday's daily COVID-19 update, Health Minister Dr. Frank Anthony pointed out that in excess of $3 billion, which have been approved for the health sector, will be used to procure the polymerase chain reaction testing kits, which will determine whether or not a person is negative or positive.
So with Omicron looming, one of the things is that you need to know how many people are positive. Now, we wouldn't be able to differentiate what variant they have, but certainly we'll know whether they have COVID or not. And we need to buy more PCR test kits, and part of the money is going to go to get the test kits, the reagents, and all the other things that we need to do testing.
Health authorities have in the past sent a number of samples to the Caribbean Public Health Agency in Trinidad and Tobago for testing of new variants. The samples are required to undergo genetic sequencing, a procedure which identifies which variant of the coronavirus a person may be infected with. Earlier this year, the Delta variant was detected after some 50 patient samples were sent to CARFA, Dr. Anthony confirmed. When recently questioned whether new samples will be sent abroad for testing for the Omicron variant, the minister related that health authorities will make a decision depending on if there's a need to.
And we have developed a relationship with CARFA where we can send samples for genetic sequencing, and we also have an arrangement with PAHO where we can send samples for genetic sequencing. So these are arrangements that we'll be looking into to see whether or not we need to send these samples there.
He further informed that the monies will also procure oxygen tanks for COVID-19 patients and other supplies.
There are some monies there for meds, the types of medication and so forth that we're using, and so that too has been provided in the supplementary.
Meanwhile, overall, 764,898 persons living in Guyana have been vaccinated with either one dose of a COVID-19 vaccine or the full dosage. Temika Rodney reporting for the HGB Nightly News.